Your site, his marketing, how advertising works on a blog. Weblogs or blogs began as someone's online journal, a way to express opinions and thoughts and communicate with others on a more personal level. It became such a successful platform that it wasn't long until marketers, online business owners, and professionals took note of its potential. These days, blogs are used for marketing, putting out news, sharing information, building a business network, teaching, etc. It also doesn't hurt that once in a while, you get to use your blog to make money as well through ad placements. So how does advertising work on a blog? Popularity means income. It's a sad fact and rather prejudiced against blogs that are just starting out, but to make advertising work on a blog, that blog has to have enough traffic. Without sufficient traffic, the ads found on that blog will just not find an audience and therefore will not earn. Now, to build traffic, your blog has to have a strong niche and targeted content. Finding a niche for your blog can be tricky, especially if the topic you're offering is obscure and not that easily relatable in terms of advertising. Tricky, of course, but not entirely impossible. You'd be surprised at the number of targeted ads some little-known topics generate. However, your best bet and the surest way to make advertising work on your blog is to promote a topic that is highly targeted or one that speaks to a niche audience. By building a following, your blog will gain enough popularity to be trusted by advertisers. Advertising on your blog. The way advertising works on a blog is simple. Advertisers want to promote their products and services. Your blog provides the platform with which their ads can gain exposure, mainly by being the site where their target market frequents. If your blog is about shoes, the people who visit your blog are those who want to know more about shoes. From the shoe advertiser's point of view, these people are a gold mine, more likely to buy their shoes based on the interest they have shown. There are two ways you can make advertising work on your blog: by providing ad space on your own or by relying on an advertising server to do the work for you. Selling ad space on a blog is fairly common, particularly on blogs that target a niche market. You simply set the rates, actively contact advertisers, and agree on the terms. Or the advertisers can contact you after seeing the potential of your blog. How you get paid is simple enough. Once the ad has been placed on your blog, your visitors will click on it. Depending on your agreement with the advertiser, you could earn either through the number of clicks the ad receives or the type of action solicited by the ad, such as a purchase or a subscription. If you're fairly new to the blog universe and would rather build your reputation slowly by providing quality content, you might find yourself too busy to actively negotiate and communicate with advertisers. If this is the case, you can choose to work with an advertising server. One such is Google's AdSense, although there are others that work just as well. An ad server looks at your blog and determines the best ads that relate to your content. You simply take the code, put it on your blog, and let it go to work. You simply have to collect your earnings using your account. This is a rather passive approach to letting advertising work on your blog, but it can earn you a little. Of course, if you want higher earnings, you need to actively put in more effort and seek out higher paying ads with the right combination of keywords that work best for your blog.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.